Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix SHEIN app freeze problem. So if you're currently also having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did firstly was that I firstly closed my SHEIN app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone, as you can see. So now what I did on this page is very simple. I firstly scrolled down in here and then I clicked where it says general, so I clicked on general and I scrolled down in here once again and then I clicked on storage, as you can see. And in here we're just going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner, so click on the search symbol and then we're going to search for SHEIN in here, as you can see. So click on the SHEIN app and then click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load and then click on the blue button here again. So now just wait for your SHEIN app to be completely updated to the latest version. So I did this myself and afterwards it actually worked. It was not freezing anymore. It worked like as new basically. So I guess that sometimes when they do release an update, we need to actually get it, because if we still are stuck on the previous update, then it might be very slow, the app itself, or it might freeze basically. And by doing this exact thing that I just showed you, you will force your app to be automatically updated to the latest version. So try this, go back into the app, and hopefully now it works for you as well.